Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. The Explorer K2 is an inexpensive tandem kayak that shows that Intex still rules the low-cost inflatable kayaks market. This 10-foot banana-looking kayak is a simple but functional option for families with kids looking to give lake kayaking a try. It features a 3-chamber vinyl hull, an I-beam floor, inflatable seats, a removable skeg, and a complete starter kit. While it tips the scales at an ultralight 30.6 pounds, it boasts a 400-pound load capacity. The Intex Explorer K2 kayak is sporty and fun with a streamlined design for easy paddling. The bright yellow color and sporty graphics makes the kayak highly visible in the water. Great for experiencing lakes and mild rivers with a friend, this sports series kayak is perfect for 2 adults. Lightweight and compact, this kayak is a snap to assemble, and allows you to take the fun of kayaking wherever you go. Made with rugged vinyl construction, this sturdy kayak has an inflatable I-beam floor for comfort and rigidity. A removable skeg provides directional stability, while 2 adjustable, inflatable seats with backrests are included for comfort. Quick inflating or deflating is a breeze with a Boston valve on each side. Our second best kayak for lakes is Lifetime Tamarack Fishing Kayak. If you're looking for the best fishing kayaks, this budget find will definitely delight you. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler is a top choice for casual fishers who don't mind a simple boat. Constructed of UV-protected high-density polyethylene. Multiple footrest positions for different size riders. Stable flat bottom. Adjustable padded seat back and seat pad for comfort. 2 flush-mounted fishing rod holders. 1 top-mount fishing rod holder. Front and rear shock cord straps. 2 6-inch storage compartments in rear and center. 1 paddle keeper, 1 adult black paddle. Front and rear T-handles for easy transport. Deep hull tracking channels. Durable high-density polyethylene HDPE construction. Let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Intex Challenger K1 Kayak. The Intex Challenger K1 Kayak is easily the most affordable lake kayak on our list. It's an inflatable design made for a single paddler, and it comes with a 2-piece paddle and double action pump. Using the included pump, you'll be able to inflate this kayak in less than 15 minutes. If you choose to get an electric pump instead, you'll have it ready to put on the water even faster. The design of this inflatable includes 2 air chambers so that it retains buoyancy if only one chamber is compromised by a puncture or tear. The inflatable I-beam floor also adds stability and improves the kayak's performance on the water. The Challenger K1 measures 9 feet long and 30 inches across. It has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds, and one of these kayaks' best features is that it only weighs 27.2 pounds when fully inflated. Number 4 in our side is Perception High Life 11. This kayak sit-on-top design can be paddled as a regular kayak, but the soft yet grippy deck cushioning means it performs just as well as a stand-up paddleboard. Plus, it has front and rear swim decks, a hidden built-in cooler space under the seat, and gear tracks. The capacity is decent enough at 280 pounds, although it lacks conventional onboard storage. The Perception High Life is the most versatile boat ever built, featuring a sit-on-top design that can be paddled like a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard. It offers maximum stability and unique features to create an experience that's unlike anything else and is perfect for sharing the water with kids and pets. The low-profile rear swim deck with handles makes it easy to get back on board after swimming. The High Life is exceedingly stable as a kayak and a SUP with a design that offers zero compromise in speed, maneuverability, or weight savings. Easily transition from sitting to standing, while accommodating kids or pets that have hitched a ride. Perfect for beginner to intermediate paddlers, the High Life tracks smooth and straight, making it effortless to steer and maneuver. For details, let's watch more.
The Perception High Life is your one-stop shop for fun on the water. The High Life is an 11-foot kayak with smooth tracking and enough stability to paddle as a stand-up paddleboard. The super low profile is reminiscent of a SUP, but still provides a steady platform for kayaking. Perfect for a day trip, this sit-on-top kayak features a fold-down seating system with a cooler storage area under the seat, a rear tank well for additional storage, and a center cup holder for easy access. Swim decks make exit and re-entry for kids and pets a breeze. And the traction pads on the bow, midship, and stern help you keep your footing while paddling. 2 gear tracks double as carry handles and mounting points for endless accessory options, and the easy-to-install toolless fin provides smooth, straight tracking. The High Life is available in 2 colors, blue and lime.
Number 5 in our top 5 best kayak for lakes list is Pelican Base Creek 100X Angler. If you're looking forward to doing some kayak fishing, Pelican's reasonably priced Base Creek 100X Angler kayak is a safe bet. This 10-footer clocks in at 50 pounds, which is reasonable enough for a fishing kayak. It's every bit as maneuverable on land as it is on the water. It has a 325-pound capacity and storage space options that include a rear tank well, large front hatch, and a 4-inch dry storage hatch in the back. It's also equipped with 2 flush mount and 1 swivel rod holder, paddle tie down, and accessory eyelets. What's more, the multi-chine flat bottom hull ensures much needed stability. Fishing accessories: gear with a swivel rod holder and 2 flush mount rod holders, a bottle holder, a paddle tie down to store paddle, adjustable footrest and secure foot bracing, 6 accessory eyelets to attach gear on your kayak. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.